fireworks. Each firework has a special series of fuses that control when the fireworks is spotted. The first fuse, called the leader, lights the lead charge, setting the fireworks flying. The lead charge then lights a time fuse. The material of the time fuse burns at the set rate. The fireworks maker knows just how long to cut the fuse to it burn until the shell's at the right height. The time fuse that sets off the bursting charge. Sometimes a shell will have smaller shells inside it. In that case, the bursting charge lights more time fuses. This will set off the smaller shells when they are the right distance away from the main shell. Creating the shell. It can take up to 2 days to set up a 20-minute fireworks show. First, everything must be designed on a diagram. Each shell will be fired in a specific order, and everything must be set up so that each one goes in turn. Workers begin to building by building batteries or wooden racks. If the shell is nearly water, the batteries are put on a boat, safely away from the ground. Some batteries sit on the side of buildings, such as the Washington Monument or Eiffel Tower. Each battery holds a group of metal tubes called motor. Each motor holds one shell. It shoots the shell the way a cannon shoots on a cannonball. All the motors are numbered according to the diagram. The finished shells are also numbered. When they arrive on the site, they are carefully placed in a correct motor. Workers connect the shell's leader or main fuses to electrical matches, and each electric match is connected to the firing panel, which is the control panel for the whole shell. In the past, the worker maker had to push buttons on the panels to get each match to light. He or she had to pay close attention in order to avoid mistakes. Today, most firing panels are computerized. Everyone checks the fuse connection and placement of the shells and motor in the firing order. Then they check again. A mistake could set a firework off incorrectly, ruining the show and possibly even injuring people. On the night of the show, the crew puts on helmets, goggles, and fireproof clothing. This gear protects the workers from falling sparks, ash, and paper. The workers stay close by to make sure nothing goes wrong, but once the switch is flipped, the computer takes over and begins lighting matches. The show explodes a shower in a shower of color and sound. Computer firing panels have become so precise that fireworks can be set to music. A designer chooses a favorite piece of music. A designer listens to the music over and over, imagine, imagining where to put a purple fountain, a golden blast, or splashes in crashes. The firing panel is programmed to light the shells in time with the music. Fireworks safety. Fireworks explode, and explosions can be deadly. Fireworks injured about 10,000 people every year in the United States alone. Firecracker can blow up by hand. Sparklers can send a glowing hot spark of metal into someone's eyes. The illegally stored fireworks can cause de- devasta- devastating fires. In addition, fireworks cause smoke and noise, and they often terrify animals and alarm people. Many states have laws against using fireworks. Those laws exist to protect people using, storing, and or selling illegal fireworks can lead to arrest, fines, or even jail. It is the best to leave fireworks to trained professionals.